just over 3 degrees of warming by the end of this century. And we've said that to have a stable, a safe, in inverted commas, chance, we need to stabilise temperatures at 1.5 degrees. So we are nowhere near meeting in our countries the sort of emission reductions we need to have a safe planet with water, with food, with the land that we need to be safe, basically.
So coal is the bottom line here.
Coal is the worst of all the fossil fuels because for every unit of energy you get out, it produces the most carbon dioxide, which is the main greenhouse gas, which is why coal is such a no-no. Even economically, solar power, wind farms are economically better than coal already in most parts of the world. So to continue to base an industry, an export industry, or even their own power on coal is, A, it's behind the times in terms of where the world's going, but B, the flames they're seeing now, they're not even halfway through their summer season. So the temperatures were nearly reaching 50 degrees Celsius, which is more than any of our thermometers go up to, our old-fashioned mercury thermometers. So that shows how hot it's getting out there. And if you haven't got air conditioning, and this is where the whole social justice issue comes about climate change, especially the Aboriginal people, but many low-income families cannot afford air conditioning, so they are just sweltering. And if you saw the army's been called in to evacuate some communities, the most vulnerable, so the elderly, the disabled, they can't go out by boat, so they're having to airlift them out by helicopter. But if the smoke gets too bad, those helicopters can't go in, so you're looking at people potentially being left behind.
Well, I think we've seen, I don't know whether you've seen on Twitter footage of a young woman in this town I mentioned, and in Cobargo, New South Wales, and the Prime Minister, he attempts to almost glad hand her in a campaigning kind of way, and the second she starts to say what's wrong, he walks off.
He walked off, I saw it.
Did you see it?
Was
Yeah.
shameful.
It was.
And the thing is, those volunteer firefighters, they're volunteers, they're not even being paid to put their lives at risk. Some of the men that died had just become fathers just before Christmas. Their wives were left widows,
So there you go. She is a climate change. Did you hear that? I mean, I just jumped in the car and I heard her talking about climate change.
The whole continent.
And, she's talking about all this stuff she has got no idea about. And then she comes on with, did you see?
Vegetables in Australia because there's no irrigation.
Really? They have no idea what's going on in Australia. Absolutely no idea. It's like starting a fucking Syrian war all over again.
On climate action. More of your calls in a few moments on joining the army or the armed forces.
What a load of fucking... What is she talking about? Is that going to be was she some expert in TV commentary? Did you see those pictures in Australia? The farmers, it's terrible. It's got nothing to do with climate change. And they know exactly what it's got to do with. I'll give you a clue. There it is. Did you see that? Yeah. We only have grey skies and blue skies. No in between anymore. Wonder why?